today's world, the future is built on critical minerals.
Hi everyone, this is Mr. Vikram KY. Welcome to RESCMM Global Trade. Every powerful industry begins with one thing: the right resource at the right time. At RESCMM Global Trade, we focus on rare earths, critical metals, strategic minerals, and raw materials that power the modern world.
From rare earth elements to high-value industrial minerals, RESCMM Global Trade builds strong supply connections across borders.
Our mission is clear: connect trusted sources with global industries through reliable cross-country trade.
These minerals are essential for clean energy, electronics, defense, mobility, advanced manufacturing, and next-generation technology.
For us, trade is not only business. It is trust, transparency, quality, and long-term partnership. RESCMM Global Trade is ready to connect critical resources to the future of the world.
RESCMM Global Trade, strategic minerals, global vision,